ADT's back again, and
DMT.
And we're playing
Catbird.
And the microphone's right down here on the bottom. So be careful. Don't cover it with your hand, because you will. And we're gonna go to the
first level
and show you how to play. It's free in the Google App Store.
Here's a little cutscene of Catbird.
The beginning scene.
Yeah, he's on Cat Planet Earth. Cat Earth. I don't know. And then something just takes out Earth and he has to go to a different
Cat
planet.
World?
Yeah, Cat World. And then he has to go on a giant little planet.
Oh no! He's on Cat Mars. All right, we gotta learn what we have to do. There you go. You gotta pick up the crowns because they're like money, right?
Yep, like money.
And you have to go into these little triangle black holes. And now you gotta learn how to fly.
Cause that's what birds and cats do in real life.
Be careful of the milk as well because it's acid.
Deadly acid milk.
And it will eat you if you're not careful.
Wait, I don't think cats are allergic to milk, are they?
Well, catbirds are.
Catbird.
Yeah, she's playing a catbird game.
Oh, this one's very hard.
Yeah, but she got it last time, didn't you? DMT.
Yeah.
And MJT's here with us, adding in some dialogue. Oh, you know what? If we'd have left that block up on top and scooted it out so far, we could have probably jumped off of it and flew across.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm dead.
Okay, let me play DMT. I want one.
No!
Okay, I'll let you do it. Okay, only so. Okay, no more. Now. Yes! Awesome! Good job, DMT!
Can I play?
MJT, you can play as soon as DMT finishes this level, right? DMT.
Yeah.
So she finally got past that level. Alright.
Pause.
Hang on. We gotta pause. Did you pause? The thing?
ADT.
Nope, it's on. Come on! No, it's MJT's turn.
Oh.
Come on, buddy. Now press play. Right here. You can get through. What do you think, DMT? You think you can get through it?
No.
Oh, geez, all the confidence in the world.
You can't get through it.
You can. Give him some confidence.
Fine. He might, but might not be able to.
Let's see how it works.
Okay, time to get straight on you.
Remember, don't cover up the microphone that's on that side of your hand. Because we gotta be able to hear us when we talk.
Go that way. You're supposed to push the block that way. That way? Why? To cover the spikes. So you could go to the other thing.
Yeah, you don't die.
Oh.
Nice.
That should be easy. Uh-oh. I think it's gonna be easy too.
Get it?
Yeah, I am.
Awesome.
Oh my god, I keep almost missing it. Wait a minute.
Sweet.
Oh my god. Hello. I just got so
Alright, move your feet.
high.
There you go. There you go.
I got so high.
Hey, you got a really nice high level.
No, you don't do that.
Be careful of the milk and the spikes.
What's it doing?
Where's the archive? I haven't tried to level yet. Huh?
Come here. Jump on the other grass.
Alright, let's see if ADT can do this. Oh yeah, just did it. Oh, woo! Got it by the skin of my teeth. Oh crud. Okay. Oh my gosh. Woo! Woohoo! I got through the level. DMT just passed it.
Well, how do I pass this one?
Okay, remember the microphone's on the side of the handle.
How do I do this one?
Let me see it. Let me see it. I can't see. Oh. You got knocked down, didn't you? Alrighty. Okay. Oh, one more try. I can get this.
Okay.
I will put my Mario skills to. Oh.
Cardboard.
No, wait. Dude, wait. I'm almost there. Come on, MJ. Oh, I should wait for it to go up. Okay, I got this. My Mario skills is back again.
It's bad again.
No, I used to play Mario when I was a kid. Massive. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Breathing hard. Feel the burn, baby. Yes, now we gotta go up high. Get the key. Oh, my goodness. Acid milk. We gotta fly across acid milk. This is... Oh, yeah. Oh, no! I sound like freaking Goofy off the dang Goofy movie. Here we go. A shout out to the Goofy movie from Disney, man.
Yeah, since it's so bad.
Oh, come on. Seriously? Okay. Alright. Fly. Oh, we can't even... Oh, man. You know...
Do what? Play it?
No, I gotta go through blades now. Okay. Ooh,
Blades?
You're so funny. How do you get off the wood? Okay.
That's how you do it.
Yeah,
Easy.
it's falling down. Okay.
Do it.
Oh,
Not
dang
yet.
it! I was so close. I went all the way around. Dude! DMT, You gotta try this level. That's all I got to say. You gotta try this level. Yes, I did. Several times. I showed it in MJ. See. Oh, yeah. Go up. You gotta get the key. And then be careful because the blades are gonna try and get you once you go.
Oh my god.
And there's a crown all the way over here, but you don't want to get the crown. You gotta jump up in the middle and fly over. Yeah. There you go. Make sure to get the key. Don't fall down. Now fall down. Fall down. Oh, dude!
You shouldn't have made me do that.
Sorry, I thought you understood. Very careful, you're covering the mic. With your hand. Dude, we're not. The microphone's right there. Don't cover it with your hand, which you're doing again. MJ, I will take it away. You're covering the microphone. Look, dude.
I am not.
The microphone is this little dot, dude.
I told you to do
No, you can go like this. Look, I don't even touch it. Oh, well, I died.
Yeah, you
Look.
were touching it.
No, I'm not. Look.
You were.
Watch. Ah. I got to the next part. Yeah, it's not hard not to do. Just don't cover up the microphone because it hears everything we say, dude.
No.
Okay, I want to try one more time. Let me try one more time, okay? Hey, DMT, are you going to want to try? Oh, dude, I should have waited. Oh, yeah.
I'm leaving Catbird to the pros.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so you're calling us a pro now, huh? Oh, gosh.
No, I'm not a pro.
1, 2, 3. There we go.
I
Don't worry, we do too.
Actually,
Okay.
like, you guys are the best pros ever.
Dude, we are so not. But thank you for including us in the probe.
You're welcome.
Dude. Oh, yeah. Oh. Breathe.
Oh my gosh, she has so much.
Do it. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, yeah. Yeah. We passed the level. Hey guys, it's the end of the video. We all wanted to say bye from ADT.
DNT. ADT, DNT, MJT. And we're signing off.
Like, subscribe our vids.
Bye.